everyone, this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. This is my next unboxing. This one is from NewCraftDay, so they've contacted me and asked me to review some more of their products, and I said yay, yes. Great company to deal with. It's a budget-friendly website, and they've got just so much to choose from on their website. So I've chosen 2 items from them, and we're going to get stuck into it and have a look and see what I got. This did not take very long at all to get here. I was quite impressed actually how quick it got here. I think it was 10 days. 10 days to Australia. That's pretty good. So it comes in a plastic bag, and I have 2 items, 1 and 2. Diamond painting. So we might start with the little guy first. Where's my scissors? Here we go. Okay, so this little one, he's just in his own little bubble wrap packet. And I love these little projects. They're so good. I kind of mix it up with, I'm doing a big project, and then I have a little one that I kind of jump in and do on the side. This kind of mixes things up if you don't really want to do a big project all the time. And this is a gorgeous, if I can get out, bookmark project. And I love these bookmarks. I think they're so awesome, and they're so bright and colorful, and there's just so many designs to choose from. So in this packet we have just a standard tool kit, and that has your wax, your drill tray, single placer, and some plastic tweezers. Standard kit there. You've got this gorgeous tassel. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? It's like a resin lotus flower, I think. And then I've got some beautiful drills. And last but not least, you've got your beautiful bookmark. So I have seen this, and I have chosen it and haven't ordered it. I don't know why. I just like, oh yeah, I'll get that next time. So I thought this time I'll get it because it is just absolutely beautiful. It's so pretty. So I just noticed too that the plastic has pulled back and folded over in 2 spots, and it's still really sticky anyway, so it's just kind of, I think when they popped it in the bag, it's just kind of folded back the edges a little bit. So this is a beautiful flower bookmark, and it's on like this sort of vinyl kind of leather material. It's thin, but it's quite sturdy. And then you've got your special drills that go on top. And I just love the colors of this. I love the design. I think it's so pretty. All you need to do is just cross-reference your symbol number there onto the number of the packet of drills, and then you just peel back the plastic, and then you place your drills on there. So it's beautiful and sticky. And having a look there close up, those symbols are really beautiful and clear. No issue at all. So basically you see symbol 6, you check out symbol number 6 on your packet, open her up, place your drills on there, and off you go. But that looks so pretty. I love this sort of background. There's beautiful yellow and reds, and then you got this sort of spot color of the green. I just love it. So pretty. Looks awesome. So we'll have a look at that tassel, because that's quite interesting. Quite decorative, these tassels. So I've got a couple of them actually. Just trying to open him up. How do we get him out? How do we get him out? Oh, I'll just open her from the side. So this tassel here has looks like a resin. Here we go. Okay, so we've got this, it's got a little resin bead on the top, and this beautiful lotus top on it. That is so pretty. And you've got this really gorgeous tassel. It's really soft. Look how shiny it is. That's really lovely. And so that will go on once you're finished. You just loop it through there, and you've got that beautiful tassel that hangs down. That is absolutely gorgeous. And the drills, they are special drills. comes on standard strip, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different colors. And I'll just show you. So on the front of your packet there, it's the lettering is quite small, but it is easy to see. So that is symbol number 8, and that's the drill that you need to place on symbol number 8. So we have a beautiful champagne color marquee. That is just so pretty. Beautiful color. This gorgeous red marquee, and it's picking up bits of yellow and pink and stuff. That's just gorgeous. Beautiful backs on those, not scratched. Got these gorgeous teardrop drills. So those ones are the ones that go around the ends of those petals there. So that's going to look really cool. A nice color too, that yellow, and it picks up bits of blue and green. That's really gorgeous, and I love the texture on them as well. And then you've got some normal blue rhinestones and green, yellow and orange. So the backs of those look really good. They're really good quality drills, really lovely and shiny. And then last but not least, we have some white. So those colors are gorgeous. So that white is color number 1. Oh yeah, so that the white is your outline there of the petals. So that's going to look absolutely gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. I like it like that. Actually, it looks really cool. Just like that without any drills on it. It's really lovely. So yep, you go ahead, you place your drills, and then you hook your little tassel on there. But that is really lovely. Drills are really nice too. Absolutely gorgeous. Looking forward to doing that one finally. Like I said, I just keep meaning to order it, and then I'm like, oh wait a minute, I'll order this instead. I'm so glad I've got this now. So I've done a few bookmarks. They are so much fun to do. They're quick little projects, and you can take them with you anywhere. So, you know, if you're sort of traveling, you can just pop that into your bag or your suitcase, and it doesn't take up much room at all, and it's a nice quick project. It's not too big and cumbersome. So absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Okay, and secondly, I got this diamond painting. So this is a big one. So normally I get 30 by 30s, 30 by 40s, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to go big. I like doing big diamond paintings. This is I don't know how big it is. Is it 45 by 80, I think? It is a full round drill, and has your plastic cover. Canvas feels really nice actually. It's quite soft, this one, and it's very, I don't know if you can see it, but it's very sparkly. So let's see if I can get all the bits out of it first. It is a big one. I do like big diamond paintings. You get so much detail in it and shading. It's just gorgeous. So I do love the big ones. There are 2 standard tool kits in here. We've got, wow, drills. Lots of drills. And then, of course, you have your canvas. So this one is, it is a 4-panel set of owls, and I have seen this around, and I thought, gosh, I love that, and I'm like, oh well, I'm gonna get it. 4-panel owls, absolutely gorgeous. So you've got that beautiful one in browns, really gorgeous colors there. You've got this lovely one in your blues and whites, lovely pinks, and then you got this gorgeous one in green on the end. And you know what I really like about this is that the owls are all different. It's like not the same owls. I really like that. It's a good detail, that one. And you've got your different colors. So I've done a few of these where they are the panels, the 4-panel, and I love these ones because you've got essentially 4 diamond paintings in one. So you have quite a bit of flexibility on how you want to tackle this. So you can do it as one whole project. So it is, does it say the size? Doesn't say the size. I think it's 40 by 80 centimeter or 45 by 80 centimeter. So if you wanted to frame this, you could frame it as one whole 4-panel canvas, or you could do them as a set of 2 and frame them as a set of 2, and that would look really effective. Or you can frame them individually. So you've got a few options there if you wanted to frame them, or if you want to do it as a project and you think, you know, this size is too cumbersome, you want it sort of a smaller, easier project to tackle, you can just cut it right up the middle and you've got 2 separate projects, and they look great together or they look great individually. I love these paneled projects. On to the rest of the diamond painting. It is a full round drill and it has 30 colors in it, and it's big enough that you're going to get some really lovely shading in here. So I just love it. I love how they're all different owls. I think that's really cool. And then you've also got like your sort of sun set, I think that is, and then you've got the 2 moons, and then you've got the full moon, new moon sort of thing on the end there. I really like that. That's a really nice detail. So what I will do is I will zoom you in. So in we go, and you can have a look at that drill field. In we go. So I'll take you over to the symbol key. So there's 2 symbol keys, one on each side, and there's a thumbnail on the other side. There is the symbol key. You have your DMC cross-reference. Hopefully you can see that. You've got numbers and you've got capital letters, and they're all in order. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. Oh, I love it when they do that. It just makes your life so much easier. So looking at that symbol field, that is looking really, really good. Very easy to see. I don't see any issues there. You've got a couple of symbols. You've got X and P, which are dark colors with black lettering, but I'm having a look here and I can see it from here easily. So I don't think there's going to be any issue with those symbols. We can get some lovely shading in there. It's going to look awesome. Over to owl number 2. So you got all those beautiful blues. And up. He's holding it. I think they're all holding keys. Yeah. That's so pretty. And then on to the pink one. So those drills look, drill field looks really, really good. Full round drill, as I've said. They look awesome and square, actually. And then last but not least, you've got the green one on the end. So it looks beautiful. And up the tippy top, look how they've done the eyes. That it looks so cool. At the tippy top, you have the drill you've got the thumbnail. Can't get my words right. It says little thumbnail at the top there. But look how they've done the shading in their eyes. That's really effective. Wonder how that'll come out with the placement of the drills. They look awesome. Okay, so I'll bring you into the middle and we will zoom back out again. So out we go. And we'll have a look at those drills. Okay, so the drills are on the standard strip. How many colors? 30 colors. Okay, so we've got one strip, we've got 2 strips, and we've got, sorry for the crinkling, I'm just going to double check I have all my colors. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yep, they're all there. Okay. Oops, so have a look at the first strip. Try not to crinkle too much, it's a struggle. So here's some beautiful blues. And I'm just noticing right away, look at the shine on those drills. They look awesome. It's got, and they're two different colors, those two. So you're going to get some really good shading if they're doing that. I've got some beautiful like charcoal color, brown. Trying to get that glare off. Brown, gray, beautiful pink. Got some beautiful grays. Awesome. Gray, 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 gray. Beautiful blue. Is that black? Yep, they're all the same color. 3 of those, the black. And you've got this really gorgeous, beautiful, sort of rich, dark red. Wow, that's a pretty color actually. I don't know if that's coming up on camera. That's a really beautiful color. And then we have in the second strip, we've got some browns, beautiful dark red, yellow, pinks, pink, a dark brown, brown, reddish brown, 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 pink, green. Wow, that's a bright green. Green, 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 green. So you look at all those shades of green. You can get some really lovely shading there. That's absolutely gorgeous colors. Really beautiful. And those drills look really good. So that's that beautiful 4-panel owls. That is just gorgeous. And I love how the shading and the colors, you've got 4 different colors, but they all work in so well together. They complement each other, but they're great as a standalone. And I love that. That is going to be stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Gosh, I love that. So there you go. So there's 2 beautiful items that I got from NewCraftDay. So you've got this gorgeous 4-panel owls and this absolutely beautiful, oh gosh, I love that, beautiful bookmark. 2 beautiful products that I got from NewCraftDay. I'd like to thank NewCraftDay very much for sending these out to me for review. I will put the links to these guys in the description box below if you're interested in them, as well as to their website. Keep your eyes peeled further on down the track, as I will be doing review videos on these, letting you know how I went with them. So keep your eyes peeled for those. But thank you again to NewCraftDay, and thank you for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.